Just as it's a very relaxed looking pose. So I will just okay. So I'm just
That's the way I'm going.
okay. So the elbows will just come out a little bit. Okay, I'm not lifting her head then. She lets off. Okay. And you're allowed to lean on your hands, aren't you? But we need you just a little bit to the front. We don't want you not looking at the camera at all. Okay. Oh. Right, just gonna uncurl those fingers. Okay. And then you put an accessory at the back so the picture looks very different to the previous one. Uncurl those fingers again. Okay, so she's now allowed to leave. You're allowed to leave. And then I'll put this on the back. Just make the image look different to the previous. There you go.